Hi, this is Charles from Toughcut Australia, and today we're here to show off our new Tough clamp. This is a heavy-duty professional sash clamp designed in Australia and patented. The benefits of this sash clamp over other sash clamps is a few key features. One of the biggest ones is this rear jaw here. To adjust it from one size to another is really simple. You just loosen this little wing nut and you tilt it forward and it slides up and down. As you can see on the bottom here, we've got different positioning holes. So you can slide it across and there's a little tongue in there that locks straight on and away you go. So it's really simple and easy. You don't have to worry about pins or anything like that, like your conventional sash clamps, which you got to feed a pin in, the pin bends over time, you lose the pin. This is a super easy system, really strong, very easy, very reliable. The jaws on this, they're made out of cast steel, not cast iron. So they're cast steel, extremely strong and robust. They're also machined edges. So both faces of the jaws have been machined and they've got a slight negative detail to them. So they do come in about 1 degree. Reason for that is as you're clamping up your material, it's pushing the material down into the edge of the clamp to keep it nice and flat, and you're not going to bow upwards. So it's a super easy clamp to use. A few other key features of this: it has square thread adjustment on it. So the thread on the end of this is actually square rather than your conventional sort of like tapered. That gives you a much more high strength without needing to overload it. So you just kind of wind it a little bit and nip it up and it will give you maximum clamping force on the clamp. They're all zinc, yellow zinc plated. So they're nice and clean. If glue gets onto the bars, it's really easy to clean off and remove any of that excess glue. The rest of the body of the clamp is made out of high tensile steel. So these clamps are a super heavy duty clamp. You do have a couple of screws here. So if you want, you can mount them on the wall and just put a couple of screws in, line up multiple clamps, and then you can easily have it out of your way on a wall, or if you're putting it on the bench and you need to screw it down, you can, just to stop things from moving around. The clamp is available from 1225 millimeter opening up until 2425 millimeters, and they go up in 200 mil increments. When they're sold, they come as a pair, so you get 2 clamps to start your job, and obviously you have multiple locking positions. These holes are drilled along so you can adjust your width depending on what you're trying to do. So that's our Tough clamp there, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Again, super heavy duty clamp, and we'll see you around next time. If you've got any questions, hit us up, send us an email, write a comment below. We'll see you next time. Cheers.